Hello, welcome to Funics Reader. This is Mrs. Sabrin, your phonics coach. In the lesson 3A, you learned G has a sound G and O has a sound O. If you haven't seen the previous lessons videos, the links are in the description. Subscribe for more lessons. In this video, you will learn two new sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. What's this in this picture? It's an umbrella. When we open the umbrella, we hear the sound uh. There's a letter that makes the sound uh. Can you guess which letter it is? It's the letter U. U has the sound uh. Let's say it together. U has the sound uh. U has the sound uh. Good job. Look at this picture. The girl is licking the lollipop and she's making the sound L. There's a letter which makes the sound L. Do you know which letter it is? It's the letter L. L has the sound L. Let's say it together. L has the sound L. L has the sound L. Good job. Now it's blending time. What is blending? Blending means joining sounds together to read a word. Let's try it. You know that the letter U has the sound A. Now we are going to read a three-letter word using the sounds we already know. So let's blend three sounds together. What is this sound? S. What is this sound? A. Let's blend them. Is, s. What is this sound? Mm. Shall we blend them all? Is, s. Mm. Sun. Let's try again. Is, s. Mm. Sun. Great job. You just read a three-letter word. Let's read another word. What is this sound? R. What is this sound? Let's blend them. R, r. What is this sound? Shall we blend them all? R, r, Run. Let's try again. R, r, Run. Great job. You know that the letter L has a sound L. Let's read another word. What is this sound? L. What is this sound? E. Let's blend them. L, E. Le. What is this sound? G. Let's blend them all. L, E. Le. G. Leg. Let's try again. L, E. Le. G. Leg. Great job. Let's read another word. What is this sound? What is this sound? E. Let's blend them. E. Me. What is this sound? Let's blend them. E. Me. Mill. What is this sound? K. Shall we blend them all? E. Me. Milk. Milk. Let's try again. E. Me. Milk. Milk. Great job. You just read a four-letter word. Let's read another word. What is this sound? S. What is this sound? E. Let's blend them. S, E. See? What is this sound? Let's blend them. S, E. See? Sil. What is this sound? K. Shall we bend them all? S, E. See? Sil. K. Silk. Let's try again. S, E. See? Silk. Silk. Great job. Now you know U has a sound and L has a sound Subscribe for more phonics lessons. Keep practicing the sounds every day and try to blend and read the words. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.